Welcome to the Punta channel. Hi guys, welcome back to the Punta channel. Today we're gonna make 3D shapes. We're gonna need toothpicks and Play-Doh. The first shape we're gonna make a cone. Let's start with red. Cut into two pieces. One is small, one is big. And roll them to balls. There. Fold the big piece to make it longer. Then form it to a donut shape. Put 3 toothpicks on top of the donut shape. Clean them together and put the small piece on top. There, a cone. Next is the cylinder. We're gonna need 2 pieces of long Play-Doh and 4 toothpicks. Make 2 donut shapes and put 4 toothpicks in one. And place one on top of the toothpicks. There, cylinder. Next we're gonna make a pyramid. We're going to need 5 Play-Doh balls and 8 toothpicks. Connect the balls to the toothpicks to make a square. And then put 4 toothpicks in the corners. And bring them to the center together. There, a pyramid. Next we're gonna make the cube. We need 8 Play-Doh balls and 12 toothpicks. Connect the balls and the toothpick. And make 2 squares. Just put 4 toothpicks in the corners of one square. Carefully put the other square on top. There, cube. Now we're gonna make a rectangular prism. Gonna need my Nazi to help me. Nazi. No. Let's roll some balls first. We're gonna need 12 balls. Connect the balls and toothpicks together and make 2 rectangles. And put 6 toothpicks in one rectangle. Now the crazy part. And carefully put the other rectangle on top. There, a rectangular prism. Thank you, Ate.
Welcome, Jik Jik.
We have these 3D shapes. We have a cube. We have a pyramid. We have a cylinder. And we have a rectangular prism and a cone. I hope you like my video, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. Next we're gonna make Next we're gonna make a pyramid. Now we're gonna make a rectangular prism. Watch more of my videos for more fun activity and experiments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you there.